everyone. We have started with the special talk by Mr. Lokendra Laishram on using linguistic fieldwork data manager. And this is the first talk of the year after we had organized ICT TiBLANEI 6 in Tripura University. So I would like to request our chairperson today, Dr. L. Sarbajit Singh, to kindly chair the session and introduce the speaker.
Yeah, let me introduce the speaker, Mr. Laishram Lokendra Singh, completed dual degree in postgraduate, Masters of Science in Physics, and a Master of Computer Application, and has interdisciplinary research and mainly on the Manipuri language. His current work focuses on ancient Manipuri scripts, and he has several papers in the reputed journals. Right now, he is engaging in the software tools and to facilitate linguistic documentation and analysis of linguistic data, with particular emphasis on advancing digital methods for preserving and study of Manipuri linguistic heritage. Furthermore, he has translated the book Kisi in the year 2014. It was originally written in Bengali script and now transliterated in Meitei script. Currently, he is translating as well as transcribing in Meitei script. In the Meitei script, in the sense that it is already in the all manuscript, but now modern Meitei script, and this is Wakulan Thilen Salai Amalon Puya, Pukok Puya, which is one of the oldest scriptures, that means Puya, in Sanamism, into English and transcribed in IPA. He is doing very much for linguistics, even if his background is not in linguistics. MS in physics as well as MCA, that means the computer application. So I would like to appreciate for his enthusiasm in doing some work on linguistics related domains. So let us welcome Laishram Lokendra for this talk regarding the explanation about this software created by him. Let's welcome. Please start your.
Good evening, everyone. Today, I am introducing LFDM, Linguistic Fieldwork Data Manager. It is a software for managing collected fieldwork data. And this software is specially developed for linguist documenters. And it is a tool for proper handling of data collected from linguistic fieldwork. This tool helps us for showcasing a language documentation by generating HTML document that may be browse like a web page, or we can make PDF so that we can print it out and use for data validation also. And for the further analysis of data, uh, then lexicon mapping, transcription, etc. This tool help us in exporting this data in flex and elan readable file formats such as LIFT and EAF. And also, by using this tool, we can export all of the project in zip format so that we can archive it and backup it, or share the data to other system or other researcher also. So now let me introduce this software. Uh, After installation, we'll have a desktop shortcut. First, I share my screen. Okay, yeah, is it visible to? Is
Yes,
it?
yes.
Yeah, okay. So, um, so this is the main window of the uh, software tool, and this main window contains three buttons. First one is for creating a new project. Second one is for opening already created projects, for adding more data, um, or editing an entry, or deletion of entry, etc. And here at the corner, we will have help. This uh, contains two items. Uh, One is for um, all about the uh, tool, and another is for taking printout of the user manual. So first of all, uh, let us understand how to create a new project. So in order to do that, we click here, create project, and it will open create new project window, where we enter details of the project, and it will serve as a simple metadata of the project created. Say, for example, we create a project, and first one is the name of the folder in which uh, our collected data is to be stored, and this will be the project name. So, for example, let's make it demo, and then project short name here. This is uh, the name of the project, actual project. So we can make it more intelligible also. So in this case, I just it is also make as demo, and then the third one is for language name, the language of which the data are to be collected, and then the place of field work, Suppose this is Manipuri. In place of fieldwork, say suppose Imphal, and data collector. This is the here name of the data collector is entered, and some brief note. If we want to add some more information about the project, we enter here. Now, then to complete the creation of the project, we click here, create project. My system is a little slower, so it will take a few minutes. If project is created, then one message will be here for confirmation. I don't know why it's not seen. Yeah, it is already created. Or after that, we close it. Yeah. It is the message is here. Project demo is created. So now the created project will be listed in the list of projects. So in order to see that, we click on this open project. Yeah, here. This is the project which we have just created, and this another two project is also. This is project which I have been created uh, before. So these are the project metadata, and if we want to change the metadata or we want to edit metadata, we can use this one, this uh, this button. My system is slightly slow. Yeah. So we can change the details here again. It's the same as that uh, we have seen before. Now, in order to enter data into the project, we just double click the project from the list or select, then click here also, can open up the uh, project entry or project detail window. So this is the project detail window for demo project, and here we have many items. First one is category. So, in this tool, I have made 4 categories. One is for vocabulary, another is phrase, and then sentence, text, etc. So the data to be stored is categorized into these 4 categories, and then this one is search field, from where we can search the entry when uh, there are so lots of entries there. And to enter data, we click this Add Entry button. It will invoke this window. So for vernacular scripts, we make use of online keyboard or offline keyboard also, typing keyboard from Keyman or those keyboard developed by CDEC. And we should be careful about this category also. If we are going to enter vocabulary, then we select vocabulary, or if we want to enter sentences, then we select sentence like that. So suppose, for example, let us enter as an example vocabulary. So for that, say I want to enter in Miteme. I want to use this one. Yeah, suppose one vocabulary say thakka. So from here we copy the vocabulary, then paste here. Now for IPA, we can use this IPA keyboard here. So this is thakpa. No translation. Yes. Drink. Until now. Suppose I seem to perform it. Suppose this. We can add this English translation also here. Make here we can also, and we want to add some more information about the entry. Then we can enter here notes under note, and suppose Thakpa has got uh, image file or photo, then we can attach it with using this button. Like this. So it will be here. And suppose we want to add audio also, we can add audio here. Spellings is there. Okay. So we can check this one also by entering, clicking this button. So it's for checking the media data. So after entering all these things, uh, yeah, we have to press this create entry. So it is confirmed by this message, and the entry is here in the project editor window. If we double click it, we can see the detail of the entry here. Okay. And if we want to edit an entry, then we select this entry, then edit entry. So similar window will be appear, and from here we can edit anything that is that might be changed, and so we'll use this edit entry window, and if you want to delete an entry, you will press this after selecting an entry. So like this. So to confirm the deletion, we will to press yes. And this button refresh is for refreshing the list. If there are lots of lists here in the this project editor window, it is it is meant for that. So this is project editor. So in this way we can add add data or edit data, delete data, etc. This one. After that, we just close it. And now another feature of this tool is exporting the data in the project. To export the data, we click this export button and we'll get export project window. From here there are 4 options. So if you want to make a zip file of the whole project, so we select this one, and if you want to make a browsable HTML document, then we select this, and we want to export the text data for transcription, we'll select this one, and for lexicon project, and we select this one to export the vocabularies. So let me demonstrate one by selecting this one. This has a little more entries. First, we just open this one. We have entry for vocabulary, then entry for phrase, then entry for sentence, text this way. So, if you want to export the data from this Mitai Verbs 2026 project, say, let's do this one, first one, zip. So we select zip, then export. So this is asking where we are going to store the zip file. So for example, let's take desktop. Then we can make file name also. Without file name, then the project name uh, is appear as a zip file. So I think my system is something wrong is there. Let me see if it is already exported or not. It is not yet exported, so something is wrong. Yeah, then this one, say file name. Yeah, yeah. This gives the confirmation for the export. Now again, let us export. Again, let's try it again. Yeah, it's desktop. It is already, yeah, but my on my desktop it's not in there. So, okay, this is confirmed. My system is somewhat slow, that's why. Now let us export the HTML document also. It's like that. Yeah, let's choose desktop. Yeah, it is exported. Okay. So we can save this. How it is exported. I will use Firefox because it displays multimedia. My Google Chrome is not. Yeah. Multimedia is not displaying. Takes some more time for rendering. Right now, multimedia is not displaying, but it should display because of some rendering problem. So this is what, yeah, the multimedia is displaying. This is what, this is how the data is exported uh, as a HTML, and it can be browsed. This is browsable. You can search here also. Suppose we want to see only vocabulary, then see this also. Here you can play Satsanava. This there are also you can make in this way. Well, this is the HTML export. Now let's move to uh, this one, Elan export. This will export the text data along with its audio file. So export, then folder as is usual, desktop. Okay. So yeah, this one is the folder. Yeah. So this folder contains EF files and the associated media. So if your project has many text entries along with media file, then it can be readable with um, this Elan. So these are the text entries, and it is by default named as text 001, text 002, like that. So let us open it and check it. My system is quite slow today. Yeah. So this is the text exported as EF file, eliminable file. And now what you see here, that all the text entries seen here and the time is not synchronized. So to make it synchronized, then we we click this grid, then select one of the annotation or tire. Say suppose text. Then after that, click tire. Then mm, no annotation. No. It is tire. Then there is some option for ah where's that? One is here for synchronizing time. Yeah. Modify annotation type under this annotation tab. So we can change the time here to synchronize with the audio data. Let's suppose time is it is around. Let's suppose beginning time 0. Let's take 9. So in this way we can synchronize this. So these boxes are due to the unrecognized script. It means Iran cannot recognize this script mistake. So that is why, but this, but we can use the IP also. So I think some modification needed, but still we can export our data to Elan uh, for transcription purpose. Now again, let us export in Flex also. Zip file, export, desktop. Yeah. Now it is also exported. And now in case of lib file, the data is imported as lib lexicon. the lib file is imported as lib lexicon, and after importing the entries, the media means picture or sound, audio, they are manually linked by copying the folder containing those picture, this audio to the link files of the uh, project under this Fieldwork Explorer. So let me do it. Yeah, export. This one. If here, this is the lib export, and uh, this is the media files, audio and picture file. This it is stored in this media and picture. So these two folders need to be uh, manually copied to the actual link files under this Flex project. So we first select this one and then open, then OK. The data will be validated before importing. If there is something wrong, then error message will be there. But yeah, so it is imported here. It takes few more times. Yeah. My system is quite slow, so yeah, all the entries are there, and these are due to due to setting from the format. I don't uh, make it for multimedia, so that is why boxes are appearing. And then let's see whether there is file. Yes, is there any media file? No, there's no media file. Then let's see. Is there any pronunciation? I think there is no. Yeah. Oh, what is going on? Yeah, please look here. Uh, the media file is there, but it is not its right place. So it should be under this program data SIL field work projects, demo, then link files, media, untitled.web. So it's not there. So we have to um, manually copy that untitled.web here. So in order to do that, we'll look for this. Let me see it here manually. This is this one here. It's somewhat tricky. So program data SIL, C program data SIL fieldwork. Okay. Yeah, here it is here. SIL then fieldwork projects, then demo, then in files. Yeah. So we have to put this media file here. And then again, let us come back to the picture file also. Yeah, this one. In this case, we'll replace uh, this one. Yes, replace this one. Now it is okay. Now I think the picture file are here, coming here. If there is sound and audio, then audio file will be also there. Uh, one symbol for speaker or audio, like this one. Yeah, I think I think media is not its audio file is not linked, so it is not playing. So by manually replacing the link file of the actual Flex project with the link file from the exported, we can make a project one. Uh, but this time, I think there might be some misplace, so it is not linking, or maybe due to some issue, so it cannot, the audio cannot be linked, but picture is already linked. So in this way, the exported vocabularies may be used for lexical project in Flex. Now, for the zip folder, for the zip export, the zip file um, may be shared with other systems or with other researcher, and what they will do is that it is unzipped to the LFDM folder, so that it can be read by the LFDM of that system. So LFDM is found in my document. When we install this software, it will form a folder LFDM. So all the projects are stored in uh, this folder. So the exported zip projects has to be unzipped in this folder of the other system. So in order to open the projects in that system. So these are all about the software tool, and I'm planning to add some more features and improvement to this software in near future also. Thank you.
Okay, Lokendra, it's over.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Is
it's
there any?
open for this question, comments, and feedback
Yeah, yeah.
from the audience.
I think, Brother Lokendra, participants may want to know how to get this software, how to download it, where is it available?
If if one want to download this software, uh, they can contact me through my email. Then I will um, let them know how to download it and install it. Yeah, my my email. I'm sharing the email address.
I think it will be good to share in the TiBLANEI group your
Yeah,
email
yeah,
ID. Yeah,
yeah.
And
so
also
that
here, so that anyone who is not there in the group can
Yeah,
also
yeah.
get access. Yeah.
So this is my first time in Zoom, so I'm not sure. So I think there is some. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I there is somewhere I should paste my web my email address. Where it is? It is in the yes, yes, yeah.
Ma'am Savana, any suggestion, feedback for updating this software?
I
Yeah,
was
yeah,
going.
yeah.
I was going to ask if
Most welcome.
is it available on for use on Mac or mostly on Windows?
No, currently it is available only through me. So if anybody uh, want to download it, please contact at my email address.
Oh, I think Ma'am
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Savana's
yeah,
query
yeah.
is regarding
It
the
is
operating
installable
system.
through. It is supported through Windows only, Windows operating system only.
Okay,
It is
okay.
not for Mac, etc.
The one problem with Flex is that it's only also on Windows. So sometimes my students will complain and say they were not going to use it. Then I have to force them to come to the lab and use the Windows machine. But I think in India, most of us still use Windows, so that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, can I ask one question?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Okay, and then when you export the file to the LAN, and then does it segment automatically or not?
No, no. It is just an export of data.
Just export.
So yeah, yeah. If we have to make these changes through Elan for the
Or one data type is changed, not this means automatically segmentation.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no.
Uh,
It will
and
through.
and and exactly in Plex also, yes.
Yeah, yeah. That's also we have to, yeah. It is
Yes.
at the initial stage only.
Yeah, great.
Lokendra, I have a question.
Yeah, yeah. This.
You are using virtual keyboard for MITI script and IPA, right?
Pardon?
You are using virtual keyboard for MITI script and IPA, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. IPA keyboard is already come along with the tool itself, and for other scripts, particular scripts, we have to use separate keyboards like online or the keyboards of Keyman or then keyboard developed by CDEC also. There are so many keyboards we can use it.
Yeah, that's true. But my what to say suggestion is it possible to what to say use a normal keyboard
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
as an option?
yeah, yeah.
We have to use another macro or what? Or for Roman script, no problem.
Yeah, for Roman scripts, no problem. We can
But I'm asking
use
about
our
the
keyboard.
MIDI
Other,
script
yeah, other scripts we have to use uh, another third party.
virtual only. Okay. Any question from anyone? I have another query. Have you prepared this detailed literature for this software?
Yes, yes. I have already prepared it, and we can take printout of that also from that tool itself.
Okay, okay, it's there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Any question, please?
Is
Monali.
there,
Yeah.
I can ask a question, another one. Is there a plan to do a bigger workshop with some students trying it out? It seems like it would be fun to kind of try it out with our own data and you could help us.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, it looks like it's very easy when Lokendra was demonstrating it, but it will be very useful when there will be students who would be actually be doing hands-on training in the workshop in the future. Yeah,
Yeah.
I
Mm.
also agree. Yeah. I think there are no more questions, Dr. Sarbajit.
Okay. Okay, then thank you, Lokendra, and all the what is it? participants. I hope this software might be a beta version. After getting this software from the developer, then he will get some more feedback so that he can update his software. Thank you so much, all of you, for today's program. Okay, then, Manali.
Thank you, Dr. Sorbajit, for chairing the session. And thank you also, Brother Lokendra Laishram, for giving a wonderful demonstration. I would like to request Dr. Bijan to give vote of thanks. Before Dr. Bijan gives vote of thanks, I would like to make an announcement that very soon we will be organizing students' presentation series for the months of June and July. So anyone, any of the scholars or young linguists interested to give a presentation of their recent research works, can contact us through TiBLANEI20 email ID as well as in WhatsApp. Now I would like to request Dr. Bijan to give vote of thanks.
For the time. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the developer, my big brother, Laishram Lokendra, for such an initiative, and it's very fascinating also to listen to him when he was demonstrating. So my thanks to the chairperson of today's demonstration session, Dr. Laishram Sarvajit Singh, and also my grateful thanks to all the participants, especially Professor Sovana Chelea for attending all the way from USA, and our friend right from Nepal, and some other also, which I'm seeing for the first time. And yes, with us, Professor Dhiren Singh is still with us right from the beginning. So thank you so much, all the participants, for making this demonstration session a fruitful one. And it was, as Dr. Monali pointed out, it was very simple and a very good learning experience when the developer was explaining about how to use this particular fieldwork tools, which is called language fieldwork data manager. So those who joined lately, just let me reiterate once, for the time being, the software is available only on the request to our developer, Laishram Lokendra Singh. He has already shared his email ID with us. So later on, our TiBLANEI member can share in the group as well. And once you contacted the developer, he will give you the APK or the installation file. Then he will guide you how to install it. And if I'm not wrong, probably there is a small nominal fee as of now. So that can be also highlighted by the developer. So is there any nominal fee for using it, or is it free to use?
Currently, I'm I need some monetary yeah, support for further person to is developed. So some nominal amount is charged for that. So
All right.
it's not
All right.
so.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So yes, as of now, as the software is in the initial stage, and to help the developer also, so he is going to charge a nominal fees for the for using these softwares. So yes, as he already explained, the manager can export in the 4 different formats. those who are already using Flex Elant, I think they may be having a good understanding of it also. So there are many options like uh, attaching media files, etc. That is very fascinated. So once and all, I thank everyone who have given your valuable time for this evening to join us with the TiBLANEI on the special episode of our special talk series. So thank you once again. So over to Monali.
Thank you so much, everyone. The session is over. We'll see you again next time. Bye. Good night from here.
Bye.
Bye
Good evening.
bye.
Bye.
Bye.